Oh my god, this is so bizarre. People seem to really like the bike review. I can talk loads whilst riding it. I'm not having to think about bloody anything. Oh, you're going on the Stark? This is dangerous.
Let's go, baby, let's go!
You're so quick on that.
It's just the instant. Honestly, you just feel so confident in it. You feel...
That is a game changer. I think this is the review that most people want to see. So the day is here. You're about to see me try a Stark. Everyone's wanted to see this, so let's see what it's all about, shall we?
Uh-oh, that could be expensive.
This could be dangerous. How do I put it into thingy? Oh my god, this is so bizarre. This is dangerous! Right, okay, this feels flipping bizarre. I'm pulling the left like it's a clutch. This is so flipping bizarre. Oh my god, this is so weird. Right, get further forward, Hugh. If you're going to do a test, do a proper one. I'm still going for like, I'm still trying to go for gears with my foot. Oh my god. If Henry's ever slower than me on this, he has got no excuse. Right, we've got to do the hill because surely the hill's going to be easy on this. I've never used a back brake so much. Now it's in my hand. I don't mind, but I don't bloody use mine. People seem to really like the bike review. I can talk loads whilst riding it. I'm not having to think about bloody anything. It's literally like twist and go, isn't it? I think this is the review that most people want to see. So you can see the difference already from the last video, which is my second ride on my Honda, compared to about 2 minutes riding a Stark. How much more comfortable I look. I'm going for gear changes with my left foot. Everyone's saying this is an expensive option. It's very true. This is an expensive ride, but I promise I'm not going to buy one because I don't think it's what people want to see, if I'm honest. So dangerous! It's f***ing mental! So fast! I forgot, nobody can hear me! I'm like a silent assassin! This is something else. If you had your own bit of land and you're worried about noise, this is definitely the way to go. If someone comments on this video and says, "Gee, why don't you just buy a Stark? You're loads faster." The answer is because I'm still holding on to the fact that I reckon with enough time I'll be able to ride one with a f***ing engine. I want to put my foot on the foot brake, but I haven't got one. Right, everyone's going to want to know honest opinion of the Stark. My honest opinion, this is in 40 brake horsepower, Henry said. 40. I do feel like I could probably go up a little bit, but that feels quite comfortable at 40. Honest opinion is, if you're struggling riding a petrol one and you've got the money and you can afford to, go out and buy one. It will literally change your life, okay? If you like riding petrol bikes and you like the fact of it's hard and you have to work for it to get something out of it, then this isn't for you, because you literally can just put your leg over it and just literally twist the throttle and go. It's so easy to ride, so easy in the corners compared to a bike with an engine. Honestly, it's so much easier. I don't really know what else to say. They shouldn't be in the same kind of class. Definitely, I agree with that. This is something else. Honestly, it's something else. Fair play. Thank you very much, Henry, for letting me ride it. But yeah, this is something completely different. It shouldn't even be in the same category. What a bit of kit. Honestly, what a bit of kit. If I had the money and I had the space, I'd be buying one straight away. But I don't think I'd get rid of my petrol bikes, put it that way. I don't think I would. Right, which one do I press? That means, I don't know what that means. How do you work these things? Ah, 1. I think that means right. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, we'll go. Let's go again. Sorry, Henry. We're flat out. That was good. That is flipping dangerous.
So quick on it, you can just hear the motor.
I feel so much quicker on it straight away, honestly. So much quicker. Honestly, that is a game changer. Game changer. For anyone who wants to, I don't really know what to say who the Stark is for, but that's impressive. What a piece of kit. And found it very easy to ride, very easy. I feel like confidence boosting bike, hell yeah, really good.
Right, quick break in the video because today's video is sponsored by RPS, Race Preparation Services.
Yeah, race preparation services for all of your bike needs. So basically, he will do anything. Engine work, suspension work, literally anything you want, get onto them, okay? You can find them, we'll put the link in our description as well. They're on Instagram, Facebook.
I'll give him a call.
Yeah, he's got his number on there as well. Basically, he's doing parts as well, so any bits you want, whether they're like genuine bits or aftermarket parts, like handlebars, sprockets, like filters, oils, everything. He can get everything for you and like get them on like next day delivery. So if you need any bits for the weekend, or you're struggling like setting up anything on your bike, or any just maintenance or servicing work in general, literally just hit him up, let him know that you've come from us, that'll help us to just judge how the advert's going, if you know what I mean.
For sure.
That really helps us. So go and hit him up, and right, we'll get back into the video.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Is now the time?
Now's the time. I'm taking the Honda out for a couple of laps.
Okay.
Oh, you're going on the Stark? This is dangerous.
Let's go, baby, let's go! The seat's very hard. Is the right brake, the right one to the front brake? Yeah, okay. The engine brake's quite harsh, isn't it? Yeah, I see what you mean by the cornering.
It's so easy, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice. It's so weird though.
It's dangerously fast though, isn't it? It's so easy.
Just so instant, isn't it? The noise when it lands is so weird.
It is, isn't it? It sounds like it's got a flat tyre, doesn't it?
Yeah. I tell you what it's good for, like practicing like smoothness of corners. Like, I think it will help you like get smoother in corners.
Go, Kimmy!
Honestly, having the back brake on the handlebars, that's a game changer.
Such a game changer, isn't it? Go inside here, honestly, you'll be able to do it.
I don't like that line. Yeah, it's definitely some adjustment, but I can see why people would literally go on and just love it. So like, there's literally nothing to think about. Like how am I bloody talking?
I know, it's mad, isn't it? Can't check you up.
Yeah, I think the cornering is a game changer with it.
Yeah. So much easier.
I think that is the real thing.
Yeah.
The instant power, of course, but yeah. Yeah, having that literally on your hand, lovely.
And you can just turn it in and it just goes there. I think that's where the weight actually does help it there. Because it feels planted.
Yeah, I've been struggling so much with corners today. This is a real like confidence booster in cornering. And I don't even feel like it's sliding at all. My god, my corners are already so much better. It just forces you to be smooth when you don't have to think about gearing or your clutch or stalling. Yeah, the engine brake is a lot more savage than the Honda is.
The what? The engine braking? Is it? You can change it though.
Yeah, I know you can. I'm just saying, like, I think that's where I'm like, you lose, well, I'm losing more speed today. It's like, I'll turn off earlier. Whereas this, like, well, you can hold on the power a lot longer.
You look good, really good. You're so quick on that.
It's just the instant. feel proper grippy on them. I'd love to know like the lap times.
I bet you're so much faster.
Yeah, I'd love to know like how much quicker, or if you were quicker at all. I'm not using like front brake at all.
No, you don't. It's f***ing crazy, isn't it? All you do is use the back brakes. Brilliant. But that's what you're supposed to do.
Just like, oh my god, I can't, like, yeah, I'm still slow in the corners, but Jesus Christ, I'm so much smoother in them.
Oh, Henry's on his 2-stroke. Look at him go! 2-stroke Henry!
There he is, I can hear him now.
Go on, stink him on the straight. Go, 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 fire! You did him!
When's Henry gonna want this back? Not right now, we're having too much fun. Oh, that was fun. Thank you ever so much. Appreciate it.
So,
That was good. Which one? This one?
get off now.
I said to Q, I was like, how long do you think Henry will let me ride it for?
As long as you want, but get off now.
Honestly, as a female and a novice rider, I appreciate it's a different track to when Hugh rode it. But did you ride it today, Hugh?
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Any different to Apex?
No, I still loved it.
No, I still loved it. It was, honestly, you just feel so confident in it. You feel, I just felt like my confidence rose. The weight, I know everyone says how heavy they are, like how I wouldn't want to pick it up and put it on the stand. Thanks Henry for doing that. But you don't feel it all riding. Like cornering for me was the biggest thing with it. Is like I'm terrible on corners. I'm like clutching, gear down, thinking about my elbows, looking ahead. Like I feel like I've got so much to think about, and my corners are never smooth.
Yeah.
And then within that, it was like they were so smooth, and it was just and I could go tighter, and everything was just like butter. It probably wasn't as good as obviously the pro riders, but I definitely felt a difference in my riding and my ability in those corners compared to my Honda to the start. And then the instant power, chef's kiss, insane, really insane bike, game changer, absolute game changer. If I had the money, I would.
I hope you enjoy these bike reviews. Anyway, people said they quite like them, so what are we going to try next? People want me to try Triumph, so might see what I can do about that. See you in a bit.